what I'm going to present to you is the results of a very straightforward trial that we did in collaboration with Dr. Stavros in the Hellenic Center for Marine Research on diets for growing meager. The production of meager in Europe has been increasing steadily for the last 10 years, so it has more than doubled since 2014. As you know, meager is a carnivorous species, and there is a bit of publications on what they do require in terms of protein and raw material use, but still we think there is a window for optimization of meager diets. So we wanted to evaluate the possibility to reduce fish meal in diets for grower meager, and this didn't come out of the blue. There was a previous knowledge produced in a previous European project, and if you wonder how we implement the results from European projects, and this European project was Diversify, and I can see the former coordinator in the audience, Milonas, so thank you for being here. So in that project, we did produce a lot of information that I'm not going to go through, but we managed to look at different nutrient requirements, to look at the effect of diet on the granulomatosis. Is a common disease in meager. We look at how to reduce the incidence of this disease in different trials, looking at different factors, minerals, vitamins. We even look at the lysine requirement, the phosphorus requirement. What I want to say, it was a previous knowledge from actually this European project that we implemented when we developed or when we did this trial. Basically, and this is very straightforward, we had one control diet with 40% fish meal, one diet with 25% fish meal and only vegetable raw materials, the same thing, the same combination of vegetable raw materials, but only 15% fish meal, and two more other diets, in this case using poultry meal to replace fish meal, and here we had again 25 and 50% fish meal with 7.5 or 15% poultry meal. As you can see, the performance was exactly the same for final body weight, for FCR, for SGR between the diets. So actually we can decrease fish meal inclusion in diets for grower meager down to 15%. We believe that aquafeed producers, we will be able to produce more sustainable feeds based on plant-based diets or land protein animals that are super sustainable. And of course, the meager farmers, they will benefit of the results. And then I made just a very simple calculation. And this is meager production. This is the potential amount of feed at 1.5 FCR that we can discuss if this is realistic or not. And this is the fish meal use this is the other way around. Fish meal use at 40%, this is fish meal use at 7.5%. So we are saving more than 80% of fish meal when to produce feed for meager. And that's